Imbolg, everybody. We've still got these basically magnificent bowls, you know. Thank you, Philip, for letting us bowl sit. Aren't they amazing? Here comes Smurf. Just had a lovely Imbolg walk. We didn't do the one we had planned because it's not very nice out this day, and the dog gets, well, it got really cold. He didn't want to walk anymore. It's very unusual. So he had a carry for the rest of the way home. Poor Ian just carried the dog. Yeah. So, tapping into this time of the wheel as it turns, yeah. Planning, sowing the seeds of your ideas, or literally sowing some seeds. Although yesterday the ground was really hard, so I don't know if you get many seeds sown outside. You might need a greenhouse or do some indoor seed sowing instead. So Imbolg also kind of embodies the energy of healing. So healing the old before stepping into the new. That's kind of how I see it. Hi, Joanna. Hence why I've got the bowl going. Healing. And I'll show you something else you could do with these large singing bowls as well. It's very cool. And what we've discovered, and we already kind of knew this, but we were experimenting with these bowls, and the different beaters produced amazing sounds from when I played them last time. How fucking cool is that? Gives you a completely different sound, yeah? Which, like I say, we already knew that. But, hi, Hannah! But that is fucking amazing. It's just like, whoa. So, yeah, Imbolg. Happy Imbolg, everybody. We're not doing a live ritual today because Imbolg. Hi, Hannah. Whee! Imbolg for us, it's quite a private ritual ceremony that we do, and it's done at dusk anyway, and it's done walking around the house. So unless I'm going to follow you around with my laptop, it's not really practical. Oh wow, crystal singing bowls, they are amazing. It's a really cool shop in Glastonbury, the one at the top of the high street, the music shop. As you go up, it's on the right. They have a giant, and I mean giant, crystal singing bowl. And when you play it, it shakes the whole fucking shop. It's amazing. Actually, Hannah, our sound healing teacher, Cherub, she gets her own ones made. They are a little bit more expensive than normal, but if they're being made by her, then you can guarantee they're going to be fucking good. I think she's got a Facebook page. If you look up Cherubelle Sanson, I'm linked to her as well. So if you look in my friends, and from there should be a link from her profile page to her place where she sells the bowls. They're really nice. I'm a big fan of the metal ones. I do like the crystal ones, but with the crystal ones, you can't do this. And you can actually get your own sound healing going. It is so cool. And if you're stressed, yeah, we were having a chat with our son the other day, and it was getting a bit stressful for me. Because you have to have a 3-hour conversation with him to get the tiniest little bit of information out of him. So I sat there for the last hour with a bowl on my head. I do like that. So yeah, if you're feeling stressed, you put a bowl on your head and give it a dong, and it is pretty fucking amazing actually. And Ian's been because we've been playing with these bowls because yeah, definitely have a look, Hannah, because they are really good bowls. And they'll also be tuned to, I would imagine, I haven't looked, but they'll probably be tuned to 342 hertz as well, as opposed to 440, which is, you know, like modern music tuning. That made you laugh, did it, Hannah? They're fantastic for putting on your head, seriously. And our little one, we couldn't put it on our head. It's too small. But these ones that we're bowl sitting, they're perfect. So yeah, in our witchcraft group, Path of Witchcraft, I've actually posted I did post it this morning, the Imbolg, or part of. I haven't shared everything that we do in our ceremony, but I've shared the welcome and the house blessing. It's really, really nice. It's a really beautiful ritual. I haven't made my incense yet. I've got to make my incense yet. I'm a bit behind. Because we had our brunch. We had our lovely vegan brunch. And then we went for it. We did the Imbolg walk. Not the long walk that we wanted. Because I say it's a bit yucky out there today. But it was nice nonetheless. The dog's now resting. It's a dog's life, isn't it? Okay, so before I leave you, I'm going to point you towards our website, which is bazaar.com, where if you go to seasonal goods in the bazaar area along the top now, it's everything to do with healing in there. So some of the healing modalities that we do, crystals, soul realignment, our courses are there as well. So if you fancy tapping into the energy of this particular point of the wheel, then go and check it out. Seasonal goods on the witchesbazaar.com. We're also on YouTube. There are links on the left-hand side of our website pages that take you to YouTube, Pinterest, and other stuff that I can't remember. Yeah, it's not very nice out there today, is it, Joanna? And Henry has brought home from bloody college a really horrible, shitty cold, and we don't want that. We don't want that shit. So, yeah, hence why we didn't go on a long walk, because it would have been an all-day walk as well, and we didn't really fancy getting soaked to the skin. And the dog doesn't like it either. He gets, while he's sitting there, he's looking out the window. He's like, I don't like it out there, mummy. He's funny. He's a funny dog. Okay. So don't forget, like and share this video, everybody. Like and share this video. Oh, he will. He's been eucalyptus oiled up all over the place. He's also taking, I think it's sage and echinacea tincture that we make ourselves. So yeah, if he doesn't get better and he passes it on to us, he's going to get a slap. Because he keeps doing that. He did that last year. Okay, so yeah, like and share this video. And when you like it, don't just press like, press love or hate. You know, if you hate it, then press grrr instead. What's not to love with singing bowls though? Come on. What else? Oh, if you've signed up to receive our newsletters from our website, and you are a member of the VIP lounge, The Magick audio player has had which was yesterday actually, it had a little update yesterday and it's got lots of Imbolg tunes on there now. It's got a nice little, you hear that overtone? It's beautiful. Marjoram tea. Ooh. I've got loads of marjoram actually. I have to make some marjoram tea. I like marjoram. It's got that it's pungent, isn't it? I like pungent herbs. I'm a fan of pungent herbs. What's the one I've got that is really I think it's called what's it called? Dittany of Crete. Wow. That is quite awesome actually. Dittany of Crete is called. Beautiful herb. And it's round. It's really cute. So it looks cute and it tastes amazing. Okay. I've got time 20 to 3. Hold up. I've got to make my incense here. Finish setting up the room. It's a bit of a mess in here. Dittany of Crete. I bought it to make. It was a type of incense I was using it for. I'm trying to think. I can't remember what incense it was I was making. Yeah, it's really nice. You can get it on Amazon or eBay. Alchemist Apothecary is where I get a lot of my stuff from. Or Just Ingredients, or buy Whole Foods online. They're very cool. They're very good. Reasonably priced as well. I can. Just give me a sec, Joanna. Dittany of Crete. Obviously, it hasn't got the little hat on it, but that's how you spell it. Dittany of Crete. I'm going to have to put this bowl down in a minute. It's really heavy. Ooh. So yes, at dusk, which tonight might be a bit earlier actually, I've got to get my finger out. We'll be starting our ritual. For any of you in the Path of Witchcraft group, I will be starting up the live rituals again. No problem, Joanna. Cool. So on Monday, we've got Dark Moon on Monday. So if you're in the Path of Witchcraft group, if you're not in the Path of Witchcraft group and you want to get in there, then you better get in there, eh? That's all I can say about that. So Dark Moon on Monday. So I will be doing a Dark Moon ritual on Monday. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to shake it up a bit. I'm not going to tell you anything else, probably until Saturday, tomorrow. I'm going to shake it up a bit, yeah? So we'll see what happens. So, blessed Imbolg, everybody. And if you're on our mailing list, you're getting this video in your mailing list as well. Probably tomorrow now, because I've run out of time today. So have a beautiful day. If you can, get outside and go for a walk. Even if it's raining, just go for a little walk. Because we've noticed we've got crocuses coming up down by the trees. That's about 5 minutes walk from us. All around the bottom of the trees. Crocuses are coming up. It's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to say cheerio because it's been nearly 15 minutes. Hope you enjoyed the bowl. Don't forget, witchesbazaar.com. In fact, let me put the doodah there. Bear with me a second. Bear with. Slow internet. Okay, witchesbazaar.com. Maybe I should do an advert. What do you think I should do? The witchesbazaar.com. What do you think? Maybe not. Yeah, might be a little bit too bonkers for the general populace anyway. Do you know, we kind of had snow here last night and I was really upset because it didn't do anything. It was really windy and there was snow and it did nothing. I was very upset. I was upset because I was looking forward to a winter wonderland. And if you go on our website on the homepage, we had that snow last year. That was last year's snow, and that's what it looked like in the woods. Fucking amazing. Right, here we go. I have a link for you now. Okay, so here's the link. Hello. To seasonal magical goods. It's got all kinds of goodies on there. Let me just, I don't know if it's my computer, my laptop, or the stupid internet connection. So we've got our CBD oil and salve on there. We've got Imbolg incense, although you won't get it today. Soul realignment, sound healing sessions, tailor-made guided meditations, gift vouchers. There's a few bits of crystals on there. What else is on there? Our courses. We do also have crystal sets on there as well. Bromelain oil blend and fast luck oil. Okay, so there's a few bits on there if you want to go and have a look at our I'm currently in the process of streamlining the website as well. So yeah, if some pages look a bit wordy, that's because I haven't got to them yet. Okay, so bear with us. All right, work in progress. Okay, peace and long life, live long and prosper, be fearless, stay witchy. And if you are in our group, we'll see you there on Monday. Otherwise, we'll see you around and about, or maybe in an email. Blessings. Oh.